Hey everyone, okay, so quickly, because you're going to see it. So there it is. So I had some, oh, listen to those birds. So I had a laser done for broken veins and things like that done the other day, and it left a bruise there, which ironically was not the area I was concerned about. So about a year ago, I had some breakouts around the sides of my nose. You can see the marks there. And for some reason, they've never gone. And I've had a couple of lasers on them and it's not made any difference. So if anybody knows of what's a good treatment for those kind of things, I'd love to know. Okay, so we're going to be talking about this palette today, which is the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. There's one missing and you'll see why in a second. So here it is. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Now, they sent me this for review or for posting, whatever. So thank you very much. I kind of don't want to knock a gift horse in the mouth, but at the same time, I feel like I wouldn't be doing the review justice if I didn't mention it. So this is a palette. I actually depot these and put them into, you know, like Z palettes, but this is the other palette, which is the Bieber palette. So, you know, you can see most of it's empty. The problem is that this eyeshadow palette is really, really good, but it's very small compared to the other shadows. They've shrunk. So let me just show you. So this is from this palette I'm reviewing, and this is the old one. So you can see that there is a big difference in product size. In fact, almost half the size is gone. And I feel bad mentioning it because they did send me this for free, but at the same time, I kind of think it's important to just mention it. But it doesn't take away from the fact that the product is actually very good and the colors are extraordinary. So what we're gonna do is swatch them on the face. So we'll start with the top row working that way. So let's make a start. So Poppy is the first one. That's a good shade. Keep her. Right, and I'll be knocking off the brush each time. So next we're going to go for the citrine, which is this is very powdery. Mustard, not my favourite colour, I'll be honest. So next we're going to go for, I think it's Phlox. That's a keeper, look at that, that's beautiful. So next up is Awakening, I'll be the judge of that. Which is that's a pretty shade. That's kind of a sort of beigey shimmer. So Laurel is next. So we're going to go for Asta. That's kind of like a sort of a purpley. That's got that kind of pigment, you know, where the reflex in it, where it looks like a slightly different color. So next we're going to go for Glory, again, a matte shade, and has a powdery, definitely has a powdery feel to it in the palette. That's a keeper though. I really like the warm shades. I'm a big fan of cool shades, but with these kind of sunset shades, I really like it. So Azalea is next. I think I will. Thanks very much. So Margan, let's have a look. Oh, that's a powdery matte. I don't know about that one. Who can say? Who can say? So next we're working on the bottom one and we're going to go for Clove. I know I'm going to love Clove because I've been using it. Let's do it this way. Don't mind if I do, thanks. Next up we've got, there's no name on this one for some reason. It's a bright sort of yellow orange. Not a fan. I don't particularly care for it. I don't know why, but I do care for this one, which is called Jasper, which I really like. I think Jasper's a great colour. Very warm shades. So next up, I'll show you what I'm using in a second to clean the brushes each time. I'm doing Morning. You know, and finally, Day Spring. So there you go. they're the shades. Now, I use this to clean the brushes. Oh, don't be funny, there we go. So I use this, it is the colour switch. You just knock your brush in it and be done with it, it's clean. I'm doing it quite vigorously because this is not my brush. If it is, I do it quite gently, just so you know. But this is a wonderful, wonderful palette. I've actually ordered myself one as well, so that I've got a spare, because I really, really enjoy these kind of really warm colours. I think they look just splendid on the skin. There you go. All the information is right down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.